up, y'all? Welcome and welcome back. My name is Shante Ree. As you read the title, today I will be doing my first luxury unboxing, and I'm very excited to do this review because I only saw one other girl review these shoes, and I had my eye on them for a couple years now, probably like 2019. So I finally got the shoes that I've been looking at for a few years. And if y'all want to see, everything that I have to say about them, make sure to watch until the end of the video. Also, if it's your first time, don't let it be your last time. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my content that I drop. And we're gonna get straight into the shoes. So here they are. Well, here's the box anyway. I like how it had this plastic around it. So let's get the unboxing. Smells like a new car. First, upon opening, I got this. I am gonna test this out. I never got a product yet that had this barcode that you could scan for the authenticity. So I will be scan to check your authentic product, or check the code at SHANTEReelogo.com, and then it looks like it has a like a number. So I got that. Also received a dust bag. I like. Here is one slide. It says palm, and then I'm gonna take out the other one. I just think these are super cute. Like, they're simple, but still a statement. So here's the slides. It did come with little black inserts. So it's a very comfortable rubber, but it's not like, it doesn't feel real flimsy like it's gonna fall apart. Also, I was very, very skeptical at first about getting these because I couldn't decipher whether they were unisex or men's, and I did order these in men's. So for reference, I am a 8 to 8.5, and I did get these in a 40. So these are in a EU 40, and they fit perfect. So I was so happy because I'm not a fan of returning stuff. Doesn't really have nothing on the inside. Their logo is right there, and that's how the bottom looks. I'm in love. I wouldn't pull these out and wear these like for everyday use, but when you want to just be chill and cute, yeah. So these are actually not hard to find at all. They're on multiple sites, but I got this on feature.com. And certain things did have me questioning if Feature was legit, but I received tracking once these shipped out. It didn't take forever to get to me. So if y'all do shop with Feature for the first time and you're kind of wondering if they are legit, based on my experience and my review, they are legit. Alright y'all, it's the next day and I need my hair done and my eyebrows done so bad, but we not gonna pay that no mind. I wanted to see how this
how it works. This right here.
I want to see how it works. So let's see. So I just scanned the thing. Let's see what happens. Oh, it says authentic. Let's see. Share a photo, rate your experience. So, why did you connect to the product? Okay, so they want to know what brings you to check the authenticity. I never heard of this site before, so I just wanted to follow up and see what happened if I scanned it. I did already try it, and the first time it had me to put in the number that it has on here, but this time it automatically came up as authentic, maybe because I already did it before. But yeah, so I know that now most of the time when y'all get luxury items, it will have a barcode. I have been watching quite a few of the videos where people will check Moncler jackets. Usually if it has the patch, or either it'll have a tag on the inside and you should be able to just scan the barcode just to see if it is authentic. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank y'all for watching and stay tuned for the next one. Again, if it's your first time, don't let it be your last time. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of the new content that I will be dropping. Y'all, the summer's almost here and I'm excited. It's lit. I'm steadily trying to find new things, new ideas and new content to bring y'all. So feel free to drop comments. Let me know if you enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all in the next one.